Good morning, everybody. We are back out of Peters, and this is the second of two machines that is going to Saskatchewan. And this is Larry's. Bought it off Peter. So previous video we showed Larry picking up his yellow wide gauge, is 74. This is one of the other Bombardiers that Dad basically stripped down to bare bones and rebuilt. Peter wanted nothing but the best in this machine, and we still don't have snow, but as you can see, we got a little frost on the top here. And we'll check the tag here. And it says R27, can't be right. Chassis 6A4877, model or series motor 56327V, and date of fabrication was like 22/11/56. So it's a 56 wide gauge. I doubt there's another 56 out there like this. And like we said, this one was stripped all the way down to bare bones and rebuilt. And I know Peter loved touring around in this. And as you can see, everything was rebuilt in here, and seats I think came out of a van, and multi-use, so you could use it for recreation or hauling fish. But here's what it looks like on the inside here. Dash mounted gear shifter and all the gauges. Tacks on the far left there. And yeah, beautiful machine, but Peter can't keep them all. And when Larry was in town earlier in the summer, he made a deal on two of them. But we're going to check in with the boys here right away. So, happy day, sad day, what is it? Happy for Larry, sad for Peter?
Sad for Peter.
Yeah.
Wow.
Dog's excited though.
Yeah. It's a
Yeah.
nice machine. You can see it runs like a sewing machine. Yeah. And it is the fastest machine too.
Yeah. Yeah.
And it's a little lighter on the feet than the other one too.
Oh, yeah.
The other one's more of a workhorse.
Yeah.
You know.
Hold on till you try them both out.
Well, when you try both out, you'll like the one you're driving. That's the way
Yeah.
But I like the bed seat too, you know.
Yeah, me too, yeah.
Good for animals, for
Yeah.
people.
Yeah.
What kind of history can you give us this on the repair? Like, it was
This
taken
one-
down to nothing, right? And rebuilt.
This was a 1956,
Yeah.
and we took everything off. We took all the paint off, all the Bondo, and then we started rebuilding. First thing we done is put a new belly pad all
Yeah.
the way through.
Okay.
Then we reskinned the doors and put sliding windows in,
Yeah.
and the mirrors and the rain drips.
Okay.
And then we put a bench seat that you can walk here or you can tip it ahead.
Okay.
Electric power steering, dash shifter, high output heater, and new rebuilt transmission, new motor.
What kind of motor?
That's a 318 4-barrel.
Okay.
It's got a lot of jams. Carter electric fuel pump, fuel switch for 2 tanks, rebuilt rad, and all new undercarriage.
The tracks look almost brand new. So, one of the things here is these are all the same style tire. They don't have the solid tire assembly there on the back, but those tires look damn near brand new. Yeah, spring dampers, we always like mentioning those. We do have those in stock, not too many. We sell them for $3.50 a pair, machine plus shipping. And so yeah, this is going to Saskatchewan. Larry knows quality. This machine didn't sell cheap. Guys out there that think they're going to get a machine like this cheap are kidding themselves. This was top dollar, but we're going to let this warm up, and we're going to load it up, and then we'll check in back with the boys. So Dad's just giving Larry a little bit of last minute instruction and also description of what's going on here. I know Larry's eager to get out and start driving this one around. He's got some service that he's gonna bring in for next summer. He's got a red Bombardier, that's all I know, it's red, and he's going to get some service done on that one. He's got a couple other Bombardiers too that are either running or not running, but he really likes the fact that with this one and the 74 that he bought, he can just turn the key and go and enjoy the bombardiering experience. I think they were just showing being able to lift up the floorboard and check on the transmission and the differential. Okay, I think these guys are going to load up the truck, or load up the trailer here now. There you go. Inches to spare on both sides. Now, what they had a bit of an issue here last time was Larry had to stop along the way to Larry had to stop along the way last time to get the reposition the Bombardier on the trailer because it was wobbling a little bit on him. And just this style of trailer, it's a little difficult for them to load up correctly here. So they got to get that down before they can back it up. So they're gonna pin that trailer down, and then they're going to back it up a little bit. Okay, they're gonna try and reposition this. Okay, well they got clearance for the ski now. Okay, so we got it sorted out. We just need a little extra weight to stand on the trailer there to get it locked in. The skis aren't in the way now. Anyways, so load it onto the trailer, and they got it backed up to the D-ring here now, and I think the intent here is they're gonna lock onto the D-ring, and then it won't wobble so much here. The last time they had it loaded up, they had the skis underneath the bar here, and Larry said the trailer was like driving like that, so he had to stop along the way to get it repositioned. No, it's on the trailer, just tire her down now. Oh, they got the chains out here and they're gonna tie everything down. Oh, Dad's tying it down. He took over the responsibility here. He couldn't watch these two do it. Well, it's good you're here to supervise everything. Anyways, Larry came into town late last night and then took us out for dinner, and so we had a good dinner at local place, John and Jesse's, and then Dad picked him up this morning for breakfast, and we came out here right away.
Whatever's left on the tail, that's
So Larry's just chaining up the front here, and it's almost ready to go. D-Dog, hi. Oh, you're gonna have so much fun in your Bombardier, eh? Labs like trucks and Bombardiers and activity, so this is a happy dog. So they got the binders in place here, snug tight. They're just doing some wiring now. So again, this is a 56 wide gauge, and it is going to Saskatchewan. And Peter owned this for many years, and loved owning it, but it's time for a new home, and Larry is the guy to own it. He wants nothing but the best, and when he saw this one in the 74, asked Peter how much and went straight to the bank and got a check. No fooling around, didn't even argue. And so yeah, this Bombardier has been in many places, but it's going to Saskatchewan, and these guys are just finishing up the tie down process, and it's going to drive out of here right away. Okay, so Dad's hopping in with Larry. They're going to drive out of here. Larry bought some fuel tanks off of us, so they're just running out to the shop, pick those up, and then he's going to fill up and hit the road. So we're going to watch these guys drive out of here right away. There it is. On its way to Saskatchewan and its next home. 1956 wide gauge. And that's it. Turning out of the driveway, and there it goes. And you'll be able to see it here coming down the road right away.
she's a beauty.
Won't see that one back in Manitoba anytime soon. But when you got good equipment, you got no shortage of guys that want to buy it. There it is, last view.